Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Gemini Staking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Gemini Staking, start by logging into your Gemini account. Once logged in, navigate to the Earn tab on the home page. Click on the staking option within the Earn section. Review the available cryptocurrencies eligible for staking. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to stake. Carefully read the details and terms related to staking for that specific asset. Next, choose the amount you would like to stake. Confirm your selection to proceed to the staking setup. You may be prompted to agree to the staking terms and conditions. Make sure to read through them thoroughly before accepting. Once you accept the terms, proceed to the confirmation screen. Review the summary of your staking transaction. If everything looks correct, click on the Confirm button. You may receive a notification confirming that your staking has been activated. Your stake will now be earning rewards based on the staking terms. Monitor your staking status from the Earn tab at any time. That's it. Your Gemini staking is now active and earning rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.